Care to rate my fit?
Sure. What's this?
It's this new app called Stamped. Get your points by having people quick rate you.
How does this work?
Just click there to create your profile, select one of the categories you want them to rate, and have them scan the QR code. Cool.
Cool. I'm gonna go try this out. Quick rate my shoes.
As long as you rate my hair.
Hey, care to rate my face card?
Of course. So how'd you do?
Fit check, shoes check, face card check. I've got 30 points already.
How many quick rate points can you earn? Get Stamped. Welcome back to Stamped. In this video, we're going to explore one of Stamped's newest features, Quick Rate. Quick Rate is designed to make meeting people fun, interactive, and rewarding. In just a few seconds, someone can give you a quick impression, helping you earn recognition, unlock achievements, and grow your quick point collection. Let's see how it works. Click here. There are 5 quick rate categories: fit, shoes, aura, face card, and hair. Each represents a first impression someone notices when meeting you. The goal is to collect positive feedback across all 5 categories over time. From the home screen, tap Quick Rate. Choose one of the 5 categories you'd like people to rate. Then tap Generate QR. Stamped creates a QR code that anyone can scan. This makes it easy to collect quick rates wherever you go. When someone scans your QR code, they'll immediately be taken to your quick rate page. They simply choose their rating, submit it, and you're done. The entire process takes only a few seconds. Every successful quick rate earns you quick points. Quick points accumulate over your lifetime and help track your activity inside Quick Rate. As you continue meeting people and collecting quick rates, your lifetime total continues to grow. Quick Rate also includes an achievement system. You'll unlock achievements for milestones such as receiving your first quick rate, collecting ratings from new people, completing daily 5 challenges, mastering individual categories, reaching major lifetime milestones. Every achievement celebrates your progress and becomes part of your quick rate journey. As you continue using Quick Rate, you'll unlock recognition titles. These titles recognize your participation and accomplishments. Recognition titles are permanent and never expire. They are designed purely for recognition and do not affect your reputation, ranking, or matching inside Stamped. Every month, Stamped creates your personal Quick Rate recap. You'll be able to review things like quick points earned, quick rates received, unique people met, daily 5 completions, category highlights, longest streak, most active day, recognition progress. It's a fun way to look back on your activity each month. Quick Rate is designed to encourage genuine interactions. To keep the system fair, a person can only quick rate the same user once every 30 days. This prevents spam while still allowing you to collect quick rates from new people every day. It's important to understand the difference. Quick Rate is designed for fast impressions, new connections, real-world interactions, social engagement. Reputation ratings are designed for dating experiences, relationships, communication, long-term interactions, accountability. Both systems work together, but they serve very different purposes. Quick Rate is one more way Stamped helps bring real-world interactions into the app. Whether you're meeting new people at school, work, social events, conferences, or anywhere else, Quick Rate gives people a simple, fun way to leave a lasting first impression. Start collecting quick points, unlock achievements, earn recognition titles, and see how your Quick Rate journey grows over time. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next tutorial.